This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by quickly confirming prerequisites: battery above 30% and stable light. Once done, open Settings and check OS and display profiles. This rules out software mismatches. Next, load a calibrated test image and use a color picker to sample reds, greens, blues. This shows whether the issue is uniform or channel-specific. Make sure to note whether the problem appears in safe mode or only with certain apps. That distinction defines whether you continue with recalibration or move to hardware checks. You now perform detailed calibration and isolation. First, adjust color temperature and RGB sliders incrementally. Small moves reveal which channel is off. Once calibrated, reboot into safe mode and test. If colors normalize, an app caused the shift. If not, create a new user profile and run the built-in display diagnostics or a dedicated tester app. Next, examine for OLED burn-in or dead pixels. Press around the edges gently and check for loose connectors if the device has been dropped. You finish by choosing the correct fix path. For software faults, reset display settings, clear system cache, and if necessary, reinstall firmware or perform a factory reset. Back up your data first. For hardware faults, replace the screen assembly or reseat the display flex cable. Use an authorized service for parts. If problems persist, document exact reproduction steps, take photos or video, and provide this to support. This one tip speeds diagnosis and prevents repeated testing that can mask intermittent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.